Hey guys, so I saw this model on Thingiverse. It's created by Daniel Nori. I wanted to go ahead and try printing it. I've looked at it for a long time, and I finally am getting the nerve up. I'm wanting to go ahead and try it. So I'm going to go ahead and set up the printer right now. I got it homing right now. I'm running a little bit late getting to work today. So I'm going to set it up to print while I'm at work, and then I'll check it out when I get home tonight. So anyway, I'll set it up, and I will see you at the end of the time lapse. Okay, so that took 3 hours and 52 minutes. Let's take a quick look at it and see how it turned out. Looks pretty good. Okay, it's going to come right on it. Now, this is my second attempt at doing this. The first one, I printed it and I couldn't get the supports to really loosen up that well. So I'm going to see if this one will work a little bit better. I printed it at a little bit lower temperature, and then I also reduced the shell thickness down to 3 instead of 4 shells. So we'll see if that makes any difference at all. Let's try doing this one first. Okay, so that came out. I believe this one's the next one. Believe. Yeah, it broke off, so I'll have to break that out the rest of the way another way. Okay, that one came out, that one came off. Now the question is, can it break loose and actually start turning? I already got more movement out of that than what I ever got before. It actually heard a little pop to it. And I can actually, when I push it, I can see a gap. Get the camera zoomed in there better. So here's hoping. I'm just going to take it off camera here just a little bit, push and pull on it, and then the next thing I do is try to get this little thing here to roll. Now, I may have to May have to actually take some pliers and try working that, which I hate to try doing that. Let me pause the camera for a moment. Let me work on it a little bit and see if I can get it loosened up. Okay, I think I've almost got it. I put the pliers on from this other direction. I took a little bit of oil. I sent a message earlier today to Daniel on Twitter, and he mentioned using some olive oil. So I did put some olive oil in there, and it just a little bit. I finally figured I could go from this angle, and the pliers fit on the backside just right to where I could actually kind of get it moving a little bit. So now let's see if you're any closer to getting this moving. Okay, something broke loose. This isn't the way I was hoping to do it with the pliers, but whatever works, works. It does work. It took a little bit of work, but it is going to work. That is cool. That is a cool model. I like it. It's different. But at least I know that my printer can print it. I probably need just some more settings on it or something. I don't know exactly what I need to do, but there's probably something I'm missing about it. But it did work. And I just don't know if I broke that. I think I did break it. I think don't think that was support material. But the little gear does work just fine. That's cool. I just love models where that has moving parts that print, where it's all one piece. I just love those models, like the fossil fish and the different models like that. I just love them. Yeah, more work it, the better it gets. I might try using the olive oil on the other one I printed. It's a little bit heavier because it had 4 perimeters instead of the 4 outer shells compared to the 3. But it also looked a whole lot tighter on this gear portion too. But that worked. Cool. Daniel, thank you very much for letting me print it. I appreciate it. And if you like the model, I'll put a link to it in the video description. Just go ahead and go there and give it a shot on your printer, see how you like it. It seems like it prints pretty decent on here. Like I said, I probably need to tweak some settings or something, but at least it works. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. I sure appreciate it. Have a great day and take care. Bye.